or hear anything like flooding in this estate. The first thing we did when we came here was to do our site investigation, soil test, and we have our report. And we got the consultations of our consultants that we can do a 1.5 meter. In fact, they were like, this is too much. But you said you want extra strength. You can do 1.2 meter, you can do 1 meter and a 600 meter filling. And I said, no, let's do the best we can have. What's the best we can have? They said 1.5. I said, that's what we are going for. Then when it got to the reinforcement, uh, a brother and a leader asked me this morning, he said, those people who are selling houses for 60 million, they sell 3 bedroom, 50, some even sell for 35 million. How are they doing it? It's possible, but the difference is that we cannot sell a house for you at this royal for 35 million. Because 35 million will not buy just the reinforcement we are using. There are 6 different types of iron in the market that I am aware of. Even during the week, it was trending on social media where some persons were mentioning a 12 millimeter rod and 12 rod, and it was not up to 9 mm. So what that means is that if the structural integrity is saying you should use 12 mm, it means your structure and your building is already compromised. Those are some of the houses you see and your clients are buying. But at Eco Paragon, we are using TNT imported rod. It's on site. Bring your engineers to come and test it. We have them on site. We have our off-cut on site. Bring them to come and test it. And if you can't bring them, maybe you are in diaspora, your friends are in diaspora, request for reinforcement, Lagos State Material Testing Laboratory Limited report, because we sent the reinforcement to them before use, and they test it and they give us our report and tell us this is fit for you to use on this project. That's for iron, right? Iron is one of the things that you will not care about as a layman in construction because you will not see it. But I'm telling you that we went to the depth of it. The second one is our concrete casting, because that is what guarantees the structural integrity of the project. When you walk just immediately after our gate, you will see a place that is casted like a swimming pool. That's not a swimming pool. Where we are right now is where our swimming pool is going to be. What you will see inside there, you see small, small boxes of concrete cubes. Those are cubes we are curing for 7 days, 14 days, and 21 days. After the curing, we take it to Ikeja. They were first at somewhere around Lekki, but they have moved now to Ikeja, the Lagos State Material Testing Laboratory, for them to do their crush test. They crush it to tell us this is certified for this project. The mix ratio is solid, because some people mix more sand than granite and cement, because cement is expensive on their project. We have our report from the Lagos State Material Testing Laboratory. Request for it, we will give it to you. Our building approval is available. It is not cho. Request for it, we will give it to you. Anything I'm saying, just be responding, we will give it to you. You know how that man will say, go and verify. Good. So we will give it to you. Good. Thank you. Then also, there is something that does not matter to anybody, but I know all of us can relate. How many of you have seen those houses that bad odor oozes out from the toilet? Very bad, right? It will not happen at Eco Paragon. Why? We have it on site, we will give it to you. The cause of that is what we call it's what's it called again? Okay, when they come, I'll tell you. We have it on site, or when I record, I will let you know. It's we used it on all the toilets. It cost us extra money to do that, but we went the extra mile to make sure that you don't have that experience. That some people call it in layman terms stopper, but I'm trying to give you the technical name. Maybe when we go for the tour, I'm going to show it to you and I will call the name. We will show it to you as well. Then also, everything we do here, you know, this is a Lagos State government project. At a time, I was not really happy because I was like, me, I know how government projects used to be now. But not in Lagos State, though. Some government projects are abandoned, some government projects are quiet, but not all, not Lagos State. Everything we do here, from day one, that we are sand filling. Even the sand, let me shock you. We tested the sand that is on this side. We have the report. We'll give it to you. Because you have to test the chemical, the acidity, the salt, everything. We sent it to the laboratory to test it. Can I shock you? We are not using gutter water to build. When we sink the 6 boreholes we are using for construction on this side, we took the water for testing at the Lagos State Material Testing Laboratory to check the alkaline level and the acidity. We will give you the result if you want it. If you want the result, what will happen? We will give it for you. So you can go and verify also. Then also for the rooms, you will see the size. We have a living room of 47 square meters at a Paragon. Somebody saw our toilet and said this is woman parlour. Our visitors toilet, by the way. You are going to see it, you can verify. You are here now, right? It's not that you were told. Then you get to see, we also have our courtyard. You can have, because we want to have cross ventilation. So it's not one tiny window that you will be seeing it and everywhere will be hot and cold. We have cross ventilations. We made sure there were 2 windows opposite each other at a Paragon. So hot air can come in from cold air can come in from one end and hot air can escape from the other end. And the sizes of our windows are also massive. You can verify that, but we can't give that to you. Then also on site, our choice of colors also matters a lot for post construction. The people who will be living here. Using black roofing sheet or black windows conducts heat a lot. So we opted for grey color because we want to reflect back the heat level. So your rooms can be cold. You don't have to spend so much having ACs or whatsoever. So if you enter in any of the units, you will see that there is already a level of coldness and calmness. The place is naturally cozy, even without your air condition. So we have intentionality at heart when we were constructing. And also our finishing. I put it to you, challenge me. I'll give you 500,000. Find anybody who is selling a house in Abidjan GRA or Sango Tedo that use our finishing for their unit and are selling for the price we are selling. A 3-bedroom terrace, I'll give you 500,000 as of today. Nobody has done it. Nobody can do it. But for us, it is not about profit. I have the boldness to say this on camera because I have had a lot of developers come here and they were like, what is your problem, Oga? Why are you raising the bar so high? If you are doing this, how can we sell when we are selling the same price with you? But I'm not building for them. I'm building for my people. I'm building for your clients. I'm building for you. Then that brings us to something. It's cheaper for us to do conduit piping. It's costing us extra money to have a duct piping. Somebody came here and said, ah, this is hotel standard, so you need to now put this space, highway, sunbreaker and rails to cover it. I said yes. Because if there is any water leakage, you don't need to break any wall to correct it. If your toilet is clogged, you don't need to break tiles or break the wall to correct it. All you need to do is to remove your dog cover, your mechanical person, plumbers that you know. Do the correction, put back the dog cover. You are not spending extra money breaking wall, plastering, screening again. And that also does something. You see, the doctors are saying it every day now that mold, you know, right? I can guarantee you that Eco Paragon is anti-mold. Is it mold or mold? They say it's the silent killer. We make sure that mold will not happen at Eco Paragon. We use water seal. We use water resistant cement. All our buildings are water and damp proof. Wow. And our pipings are not inside the wall. So make sure you don't have mud and this wetness that you have on your wall that spoils your paint, that you have to be repenting and you'll be seeing water stains on the wall. It will not happen at Eco Paragon. And everything, in all honesty, I said to myself that I will not build low income housing again, because I have a standard that is too high, that the price we are selling may not be able to compete with what we are delivering. When you enter any unit, I can guarantee you, I'm giving you assurance, you would wish to take the unit from the Paragon and go and dump it in Lekki, VI, Banana Island, so that you can sell it higher. The only difference between what you saw, even some people in Lekki, I can tell you facts, are not did not do as much as we did here at Abbey Georgia Highway. For the past few weeks, I've been deliberately staying at some short-let apartments in Lekki, in VI, even at Eko Atlantic, and I was like, hey, Soya, you are doing too much. Try to calm down. But we are happy that you are happy. And my joy today is that everyone who has sold a Paragon, they are coming to shake me and say, well done, MD, I want to sell more. My clients are happy with me and I'm happy with you. You know, there are some houses that some developers cannot do open house. They will just do key handover. They will not even come for the key handover because they know what they built. They will just hand you over the key and their. But we are here. Somebody said, after handover, you say you want to manage your key. I said, yes, a developer. He said, you are not serious. So you not give people their key and run away. So that somebody will not call you that pipe is not working. I said, if pipe is not working here, it's a mistake. We will come and fix it. Somebody told me also, a developer, he said, we are doing too much. The tiles are outside. You can see it in the unit. He said, all your subscribers will break all of these things and they will remove it. I told them, I said, then let the subscriber buy carcass. We finished. And go and finish it himself. That is the waste of money. The reason why they are removing the toilet is because you use quack. If what the subscriber wants to put is close to or is similar to what he met in the house, they will remove it. Right? Yes. Somebody should not buy a house for that amount. Tell you it's finished house. Only for you to have the mindset that they will remove everything. They also said this paint you are using is too expensive. They will repaint it because you did not do the painting properly and you did not use a good paint. If the paint is washing, then the person cannot accept mediocrity of average. They will be forced to repaint it. So let's do it once and for all, so that anybody who wants to now change it will know that, okay, maybe I don't like white. It's why I'm changing it to grey color. Not because the paint is bad. We do not want anybody coming here to fault us That's why we are giving our best. So we are going to take your feedback because we are not 100% perfect. We are going to take your feedback. Tell us what you think we should change. Tell us what you think we should do better. And when you go into the unit, you find anything, don't hesitate. Call your leaders, call me, call anybody you know can access me, or send a message. You can even put the message on your book. We are not scared of criticism. As long as your criticism is constructive, give it to us. It makes us better. We are here to serve you.